Hey there, Kristen Galloway, licensed occupational therapist and dementia specialist. I'd like to review this product from Relish, one of my favorite companies that produces activities for individuals with cognitive disorders or dysfunction. This particular one is a reusable paint kit, and it comes with in several different varieties, but this one is kind of a nature-based variety pack. There are 5 different templates within the package, and these can be used over and over again, which is one of the things that I really like about this. So I'll show you how it works. I'm just going to take the sunflower. You can see the outline of it, which is a great visual cue to help someone know exactly where to begin painting. And we simply use water and a paintbrush. If you don't have a paintbrush, you could use a cotton ball or a Q-tip, something like that you can find around your house. And we're just going to go ahead and apply a little bit of water here to the art kit. And as you can see, we go ahead and get a little bit of color out of the background there. I'm working on hand-eye coordination, painting in the lines, mobility in my hands, dexterity, of course. And it's just fun and enjoyable, right? It's a great social activity. You could do this with a group of people or with a caregiver. And anyway, so you add this water. It doesn't make a mess at all. There's no residue. It's literally just water that brings the color out. And then when it dries, it goes directly back to the original blank template. And you can use these over and over again. I think the company recommends that they can be used daily for a year before the colors start to fade. So it's a great activity, relatively inexpensive. I like that it does have the outline visible. I like that it's no mess. And I like that they are reusable because it's a great purchase that you can make that you can use over and over again. So hopefully you found that helpful and enjoyable. If you're looking for a gift for someone with dementia, this would make a great gift. Again, it comes in a variety of different themes. So, you know, garden, outdoor, this one is a kind of a farm theme. There's some with classic cars. And so take a look and see if you see something there that you like. I'll go ahead and post the link to check it out on Amazon in the description of the video. Thanks so much for watching.